but she doesn't see me. Hey, are you awake? Hey, are you out there? I'm looking for you. Where you at?
I'm just gonna sit back on the couch. I'm not looking for you anymore. Right now, I don't know. I know you're in the other room. Right, I can't find you. I'm just like, totally exhausted. I'll just sit here. You come see me. Bye. I'll look for you.
I see you. I'm not coming down here because I know you see me. I'm not coming after you. I'm just going to hide up here. You're going to have to go look for me. I don't know where to look. I don't know. Where you at? Ah, you can't see.